Namaste everyone. Here I am going to explain trapezium of standard 8th in mensuration. Firstly, try to understand about quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a closed figure surrounded by 4 line segments. Here ABCD is a quadrilateral. This is figure of a quadrilateral ABCD. It is a closed figure and surrounded by 4 line segments AB, BC, CD and DA. And trapezium is a special type of quadrilateral. What is a trapezium? A trapezium is a quadrilateral whose one pair of opposite sides are parallel. See here, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which sides BC and AD are parallel. Then this closed figure ABCD is a trapezium in which AP is perpendicular on BC. So this is distance between these two parallel lines BC and AD. Now what about area of a trapezium? Try to calculate it. Area. Here ABCD is a trapezium in which BC is parallel to AD such that AP is equal to QC is equal to H. See here AP which is equal to QC. Distance is same, so it is represented by H. Now area of trapezium ABCD. We have to calculate this part, area of ABCD. Here we observe, here are two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle CDA, in which AP is perpendicular. It is height of both triangles, as H is equal to H, AP is equal to QC. Height is same. Two triangles, we have here two triangles. We calculate area of both triangles, which will give us area of the given trapezium. Firstly, find area of this triangle ABC. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, firstly find area of this triangle ABC. After that, area of triangle ACD and add. We will add both area to get area of trapezium. Area of trapezium ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle CDA is equal to half. Its base is BC, that is A, and height is H, plus its base is AD, that is B, and height is H. Height of this triangle is QC or CQ, that is H, is equal to half is taken common, A plus B, and H is also common, square units, is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. In this way, area of a trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Now try to solve some questions related to trapezium. Worksheet 1. First question is, find the area of a trapezium whose parallel sides are 57 cm and 33 cm and the distance between them is 13 cm. Parallel sides are given and its distance is also given. We need to calculate its area. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Distance is 13 centimeter. Is equal to half into 57 centimeter plus 33 centimeter into 13 centimeter. Further, it gives us sum 13, that is 45 cm into 13 cm. It gives us 585 cm square as area of trapezium is obtained. Now take another example, that is question second. The area of a trapezium is 850 square cm. One of the parallel sides is 64 cm and the perpendicular distance between the parallel sides is 17 centimeter. Find the length of other parallel sides. One parallel side is given, distance is given, and area is also given. Now we need to find other parallel side. Suppose that parallel side be X. Area of trapezium is equal to, as we know, area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Here area is given. Put it like this. 850 cm square is equal to half. 64 cm is also given X. Suppose one parallel side be X into 17 centimeter. Now calculate. This is in division. Transpose it, then it will be in multiplication. 2. This is in multiplication. Transpose it, then it will divide in this other side. Now calculate it. And 64 cm plus X will remain as it is. This gives us 100 cm minus 64 cm. It is transposed. That is equal to X. Its solution gives us 36 cm. That is equal to X. So the length of other parallel side is equal to 36 cm. In this way it is calculated. Thank you very much.